So today I got a parcel, and this parcel is from Anna, and I've had to switch cameras just so that I can actually show you how big this parcel is, because with my normal camera setup I can't actually get it all in the field of view. So here's the actual parcel, and that's what was inside of it. So to save a little bit of time and to make it easier to record, I'm going to unpack this parcel first of all, and then I'll unpack each of the items. If it takes too long, I might actually cut out the video of getting things out of the bubble wrap just to shorten it down a bit, because otherwise I think this video is going to last a very long time. So I'll catch you back when I've emptied this all out. Okay, so that took a little while. First of all, we have got these very pretty nail stickers from Essence. I'm going to start off with the nail related products because I know a lot of people watch my channel for that. So I'll do the nail polish stuff first. So if that's what you're interested in, you can stop watching when I finish that, and then I will do the makeup second. So first of all, we have these little nail stickers. And then we have the first of the nail polishes. Now, I did say I'm trying to reduce my nail polish collection a little bit, and I'm on a no-buy at the moment, but this is one of my favourite brands, so I can't be too sad at getting some Ada's nails. It's very, very pretty, holographic in pink, and this one is called Rock Candy. I can get the camera to focus, there we go. Okay, so love my Ada's nail polishes, I love pinks, I love holographic, so there you go, can't really go wrong with this one. And then we have some Essence polishes, and Catherine recently gave me some of these. I didn't have any in this shaped bottle until she sent me them. So here we have got this coppery shade, and this one is called Big City Vibes. I think this is a very unusual shade and not something that I have anything like in my collection. And then we have this teal shade. A couple of people have pointed out how nice it is that the caps actually match the rest of the bottle, and this one is called Mermaid Tails. So this is a purpley purple colour, creating memories. And then there was this box, which also looks like it has nail polish in it. So this is, would you call this a chartreuse colour? Not quite sure. It's called I Am What I Am. Not sure if this one will go with my skin tone. I'll have to give it a try. I normally struggle with these sort of colours, so I'll have to give it a try and see. And this is a very pretty topper. I do like my toppers, and a bit difficult to read, but I think it's called Party Time. I'll insert a picture of this one so that you can see the name a little bit better. I think it said Party Time. I'll have a look a bit closer up afterwards. So that one looks very pretty, and I think that those two will go really nicely together. I think the last of the essence polishes is this one, and this one is called That's the Spirit. Very excited to see this little box within the box because I don't have many KB shimmer polishes. And this one does look very pretty. That sort of lilac holographic KB shimmer there. And it's called Cubicle Pusher. And that looks like it's going to be gorgeous. And then there's 2 more Ada's nails in the box. And funny enough, I was just about to order this one. So you've beaten me to it, Anna. And there's a reason why I wanted to have this polish, and that's because it is called Catherine, and I wanted to have this polish to wear in support of Catherine, Mrs. Cronel. So that's, you've been reading my mind, Anna, because I was going to get hold of this polish myself. So really, really pleased to have this one. And there's 1 more Ada's nails, I think it is anyway. It looks like it is the same shape bottle, and it is. And this is a very pretty, looks like it's a glitter topper in a clear base, but I'll have a look in a minute. And it's called Shamone. So let's have a look at this one. Yeah, that looks like it's a glitter topper. Looks a little bit similar to one of the Wicked polishes that I have. So maybe I'll have to do a comparison, but you have got a bit of a shift from blue to purple and pink. If you can just catch that around the edge of the bottle there. Very pretty though. So I think that's all the nail polish, and I'll now get on to the makeup. Before we do the makeup though, I just found a hand cream. I did talk to Anna before she put this parcel together to say that I do have an allergy to coconut, so I can't use anything with coconut in it, which can make makeup a little bit difficult, and cream's a bit difficult sometimes. And that I'm also trying, when I get anything new, to buy cruelty-free. And Anna went out to find products that are also beauty-free for me, so I'm really appreciative that she took the time to do that. Now I have unwrapped everything because there was so much it was going to take forever if I didn't do that before I started filming again. And within it I did find these items, which I think this is a hand mask. I think this might be cuticle cream. I'm going to have to look it up because I don't actually know what this says, so I'll look it up, or Anna can probably tell me in the comments. And also a little pair of earrings. So on to the makeup. This is probably more makeup than I currently own in this parcel. It's certainly going to keep me going for a very long time. So I'll do it in sections and show you what was in the parcel. So first of all, there was this Prep and Prime cleansing pen. That is not anything that I've used before. You're going to have to excuse me here because I am actually not particularly great with makeup, so I'm going to have to look up how to use some of this stuff. I'm not planning on becoming a beauty guru anytime soon, but I'm certainly going to give this a go. So that was the first thing. Then if we do lips, I'm still doing lips here. Few lipsticks. So we've got some of these stick ones from a few different makes. I have got a couple of these and I actually quite like them. So there's this one, and this is the same sort of lipstick like that as well. So all of these different colours, I'll have to give them a go and see which ones actually work well with my skin tone. And then we have a couple here. This is me. I don't know. Oh, it looks like it's Essence. Yeah, this is Essence. And another one, the same group. So that's a couple of Essence lipsticks. And then back to this company. I guess this is a German company. That's very pretty with a bit of a gold shimmer in there. There we go. And another one which is a little bit darker. This is interesting. I will wanted to try something in this sort of colour, a little bit darker than I usually wear, but I think this might be quite nice. So that's that one. And then this one's a bit more of a red colour. This is a lip balm, but a tinted one. This one looked interesting. As I was unpacking it, I was wanted to see what this was about. So I've actually opened this one and had a look already. I've not seen anything like this before. It's actually a two-tone lipstick, which is really interesting. It's giving me some 1990 vibes, that one. Again, this is trended up. Sorry, I haven't been saying what some of the makes are. And then another one by Altera. And finally, another lip gloss, this time by Trend It Up. So that was the lipsticks. Then there was a couple of blushes by Trend It Up. And here we have what I think is a highlighter. And then moving on to eyes. Again, not 100% certain what this is. Maybe it's a primer. But again, I will look it up and check, but I think it might be a primer for the eyelids. Then there was a couple of Essence mascaras, and I am looking for a new mascara. I did say to Anna that some of the products that I used to use, I found out that the companies aren't cruelty free, so I won't be able to repurchase from them. So I'm looking forward to trying these out to see if these might be my new mascaras, and then I can get these again hopefully. And then there were some eyeshadow palettes. This one is a Trend Up, very pretty. I like the very subtle shimmer in there. I don't know how well you can see that. A little bit of a shimmer in those, which is really nice. Another Trend It Up, and these are all the sort of colours that I do really use. Again, Anna did ask me what my sort of preferences were for colours, and this palette really sort of sums up the colours that I use most often. So I think I will get a lot of use out of this one. Then there's a couple of Essence eyeshadow palettes. I really love the packaging on these, very, very pretty. This one's a lovely sort of selection of browns. I'm not very good with eyeshadow descriptions and colours. Very pretty. And then we have this eyeshadow palette again from Essence. I really like the look of these, and I really love those colours as well. Try and get the reflection off there for you. So we've got some shimmer in these as well, sort of lovely mauvey, plummy colours. Excuse my lamp reflection there. There you go. So yeah, lovely shimmers in those. Really like that one. So that one and that one together maybe. I don't know, like I said, I'm not very experimental with makeup. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of work and get a bit better. So one of the things that I have been looking into getting is a compact powder that is a bit better at fixing, and this one looks like it would be great. And of course, last but not least, you also have to fix everything afterwards. And this is something I've never used before, but I've watched a few videos and thought I really ought to give this a go. So I'm really looking forward to trying this as well. So thank you very much, Hannah. That's going to be a long video. I'll try and edit it a bit and get it a bit shorter than it is in the camera, at least, recording at the moment. So thank you, Anna. I really appreciate all of this. Yeah, I've got a bit of homework to do, working out how to use all this stuff, and I think I'm set for some considerable time now with makeup. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one.